text from library. So in Madhukosha, the etymology for Nidana is written like this. Nischitya diyate pradipadyate pradipadyader anena iti. Pradipadyadehe anena pradipadyader anena. Pradipadyader anena iti nidana. Jajadaha Madhukosha. Samchevadaha Kriya Yogo Nidana Parivarjana, according to Susruta. According to Susruta, Samchevadaha Kriya Yogo Nidana Parivarjana. Susruta Muttara Tantra. Chapter 1, Sloka 25. Knowledge of the cause of the disease is necessary, since in any treatment, a removal of the cause of disease. That's what it is written here in Sanskrit. The removal of the cause is the treatment itself. If the cause of the disease is not known, it is difficult to remove the cause. In this particular yuga, in Kali Yuga, that is what going on each and every treatment of disease. In any hospital, in the case of any disease, without knowing the true cause of disease, treatment is started. Because we are giving importance to treatment only. Governments are giving importance to treatment. Media is giving importance to treatment. The diseased are also craving for treatment, not for studying the cause of disease. Even though the name is patient, they are not patient enough to cooperate with their doctors to get the real knowledge of the cause of disease. Internationally, the diseased are patientless. Wherever you are seeing a queue of the diseased, if you can get the thorough knowledge of the cause by simple look, then only you can treat them. If you are taking time to diagnose the disease, suddenly the relatives will call them and they will go to another hospital. Am I right?
Yes.
They will say, see, this creature is doing so many things. They are not considering this man is diseased, this girl is diseased. There is no empathy, no sympathy for the diseased. He is testing. with life. We cannot forgive him. We have to go to some others. If they are coming to a qualified, registered practitioner, the relatives and the deceased will say, see, he has no knowledge about this. We have to go to a Paramparya doctor. Am I right? And if he is going to a Paramparya doctor, then again he will say, or she will say, we can go to a Adivasi doctor. He is not well versed. In that way, there are so many differences of opinion between the people, as well as the media, as well as the government, as well as the doctors concerned. Whether you can treat the patient by considering the cause of disease. Anybody can treat, but the cause is important. Just like people are treating cancer even by giving papaya leaf, by giving mullan jackfruit. In that way, so many persons are treating. Whether these persons are aware of the cause of disease, whether they are aware of the premonitory symptoms, whether they are aware of the samprapti. That's the question. That we have to ask by ourselves so many times. Then you will get the answer. Ask yourself, sitting calmly, after studying the subject, ask yourself, am I aware of this disease? Even Ayurvedic persons are telling this is SLE. Whether that is depicted in Ayurvedic texts as SLE, systemic lupus erythematosus. People may be astonished. People may believe by telling the technical terms. Are we aware of those technical terms? Are we aware of that immunity disorder? Are we aware of the connective tissues? Are we aware of ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm, etc. and etc.? That is the question you should ask within yourself. After getting the correct answer from the rishis who were in words residing within yourself, residing within your intelligence, and if you are getting the answer from your own Ajna Chakra, from your Guru, then vehemently you can say, I am aware. If after that only you are giving a medicine, because of your mind, because of the knowledge from the parampara, that medicine becomes ambrosia, amrut. Exact ആണോ എന്ന് എനിക്കറിയില്ല അവിടെ. Because of the prabhava. For each and every medicine a hidden prabhava is there. You can use it